Welcome to our latest tutorial. Today we're diving into how to edit your avatar on Discord using a PC, especially with the recent updates. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord application on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, look for the small gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in the settings menu, find the My Account tab and click on it. This section holds all your account details, including your avatar. Next, you'll want to locate the Edit User Profile button and give that a click. You're almost there. Here's where the fun begins. Find the Change Avatar option and click on it. A prompt will appear, allowing you to upload a new image. Select Upload Image to choose a file from your computer. Browse through your files and choose the image you want as your new avatar. Once you've selected an image, simply click Open to upload it. Now that your new image is uploaded, you can make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, hit the Apply button to confirm your changes. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, click it, and voila! Your Discord avatar has been successfully updated. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Discord and beyond. Happy chatting.